Organizing a workshop can be a daunting task, especially when you have a vast collection of tools. The Husky Heavy-Duty 52-inch, 15-drawer in matte black tool chest combo offers an exceptional solution for both DIY enthusiasts and professional mechanics. This tool chest is designed to provide ample storage, durability, and convenience, ensuring that your tools are always within reach and well organized. In this review, we'll dive into some of its features, benefits, and practical applications of this impressive tool chest. The matte black finish not only adds a sleek professional look to your workshop, but also provides a layer of protection against scratches and wear. Measuring 52 inches in width, this tool chest offers substantial storage space without being overly bulky. The tool chest features 15 drawers, each designed to accommodate various tools and accessories. The drawers operate smoothly on ball-bearing slides, making it easy to access your tools. Additionally, each drawer comes with a liner to protect your tools and keep them in place. The tool chest is built to withstand heavy-duty use. The robust construction ensures that it can handle the weight of your tools without bending or warping. The matte black finish adds an extra layer of protection. One of the standout features of this tool chest is the built-in power strip with USB ports. This feature is incredibly convenient for charging devices and using power tools directly from your workbench. No more searching for an outlet or dealing with tangled cords. In conclusion, some of the pros: ample storage, 15 drawers provides extensive storage space. Durable construction, built to withstand heavy-duty use. Convenient power strip with the USB ports. Smooth drawer operation on ball-bearing slides, ensuring a smooth operation with the liners as well. Sleek appearance, the matte black finish adds a professional look and keeps fingerprints off of it.